Introducing the X7 110cc 4-stroke superbike for sale from SaferWholesale.com. This unit has disc brakes in the front, disc brakes in the rear. It's got electric start, and it's got a very powerful 110cc motor. Very, very easy to start. You simply turn the key right here to the on position. Make sure that the unit is in the run position. This is kill, this is run. Squeeze the brake. Simply start it right up. And again, it's a 4-stroke motor, so it's very, very quiet, easy to drive. It's fully automatic as well, so this is not your regular size small pocket bike. It's one of the bigger units that we do carry here at SaferWholesale.com. Just came in stock, what everyone has been waiting for. And again, disc brakes in the front, disc brakes in the rear. Gas tank is right here. You've got your kickstand on the left-hand side of the unit, right here. And again, very easy to ride. All kinds of torque. And again, you can order these today. Give us a call, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991, and we can nationwide ship all across the entire USA. Call us right now, again, 866-606-3991. It's fully automatic. It's got a lot of torque. And again, right here, you've got your brake handle on your left-hand side, your brake handle on your right-hand side as well. Up to about 40 miles per hour. And again, nationwide shipping on this product. Again, it'll cruise up to about 40 miles per hour. Very easy to operate. It's fully automatic. And again, nationwide shipping everywhere. We have them in a few different colors. The X7 Superbike for sale from SaferWholesale.com. Call us right now, 866-606-3991. And again, we can nationwide ship all across the entire USA, fully automatic. Anybody can drive it, no problem. Call us right now.